Influencer marketing, partnering with brands to promote products and services. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider, where we explore the secrets of influencer marketing, partnering with brands to promote products and services. Influencer marketing has become a powerful strategy for brands to reach their target audiences effectively. By partnering with influencers, brands can leverage the influencers' credibility and following to promote products and services in a more authentic and engaging manner. This approach has proven successful across various industries, from fashion and beauty to technology and finance. Here are 10 key points to consider when engaging in influencer marketing to promote products and services. Before we delve into our video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Number 10. Identify the right influencers. Selecting the right influencers who align with your brand values and target audience is crucial. Look for influencers with a genuine connection to your industry and a following that matches your customer demographics. This ensures that their recommendations feel authentic and resonate with your potential customers. Evaluate their content style, engagement rates, and the trust they have built with their audience. Collaborating with influencers who share your brand's values and appeal to your target market can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your campaigns, leading to higher engagement, stronger customer relationships, and better overall results. Additionally, establishing clear communication and mutually beneficial terms with influencers can foster long-term partnerships that consistently drive positive outcomes for your brand. Number 9. Set clear objectives. Define clear goals for your influencer marketing campaign. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving sales, or launching a new product, having specific objectives will guide your strategy and measure success. Clear goals help in creating a focused approach, ensuring that every aspect of the campaign aligns with the desired outcomes. By setting measurable targets, such as engagement rates or conversion numbers, you can effectively track the performance of your campaign. This clarity not only optimizes the efforts of both the brand and the influencer, it also enhances the likelihood of achieving meaningful and impactful results. Number 8. Establish authentic partnerships. Authenticity is key in influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers who genuinely believe in your products or services. Authentic endorsements resonate better with audiences and build trust. When influencers are truly enthusiastic about what they are promoting, their content feels more genuine and relatable. This authenticity not only enhances the credibility of the endorsement, but also fosters a deeper connection with their followers. Trust built through genuine recommendations can lead to increased engagement, loyalty, and ultimately, conversions, making authenticity a vital component of successful influencer marketing campaigns. Number 7. Create engaging content. Work with influencers to create compelling and engaging content that showcases your products or services naturally. Content should be creative and tailored to the influencer's style and audience preferences. This approach ensures that the promotion feels authentic and resonates well with the audience. By leveraging the influencer's unique voice and creativity, you can develop content that is both appealing and effective. Collaborative efforts that respect the influencer's individuality result in more genuine and relatable endorsements, enhancing the overall impact of your marketing campaign and fostering a stronger connection with potential customers. Number 6. Leverage multiple platforms. Utilize various social media platforms to maximize your campaign's reach. Different platforms offer unique advantages, from Instagram's visual appeal to TikTok's viral potential and YouTube's detailed reviews. By diversifying your presence across multiple channels, you can tap into each platform's strengths and reach a broader audience. Instagram excels in high-quality visuals and storytelling. TikTok thrives on short, engaging, and viral content, while YouTube is perfect for in-depth product reviews and tutorials. Leveraging the unique attributes of each platform ensures a comprehensive and effective influencer marketing strategy, enhancing your brand's visibility and engagement across different audience segments. Number 5. Monitor and measure performance. Track the performance of your influencer marketing campaigns through metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use these insights to optimize future collaborations. Monitoring these key performance indicators, KPIs, helps you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing for data-driven decisions. By analyzing engagement rates, you can gauge how well the content resonates with the audience. Click-through rates provide insights into how effective the influencer is at driving traffic to your site, while conversion rates measure the campaign's impact on sales or other desired actions. Continuous tracking and analysis enable you to refine your strategies and maximize the effectiveness of your influencer partnerships. Number 4, provide creative freedom. Allow influencers creative freedom to present your products or services with their unique voice and style. This approach ensures the content feels organic and not like a forced advertisement. Influencers understand their audience best and know how to create content that resonates with them. By giving them the flexibility to craft their own messages, you foster authenticity and trust, making the promotion more effective. This creative freedom allows influencers to integrate your brand naturally into their content, resulting in a more genuine endorsement that can better engage their followers and enhance your campaign's overall impact. Number 3, build long-term relationships. Foster long-term relationships with influencers rather than one-off campaigns. Long-term collaborations can enhance credibility and build a loyal customer base through consistent messaging. By working with influencers over an extended period, you create a more authentic and trusted partnership that resonates better with their audience. Consistent endorsements reinforce your brand message and help establish a deeper connection with potential customers. Number 2, incorporate influencer feedback. Pay attention to the feedback influencers provide about your products or services. This feedback can offer valuable insights for product improvement and future marketing strategies. Influencers often have a unique perspective on your offerings and can provide honest feedback based on their experiences. This information can help you identify areas for improvement, refine your messaging, and tailor your marketing strategies to better meet the needs and preferences of your target audience. Number 1, ensure transparency and compliance. Maintain transparency in your partnerships and ensure all promotions comply with relevant advertising regulations. Clear disclosure of sponsored content is essential for maintaining trust with audiences. It is important to be upfront about any financial or material connections between your brand and the influencer, as mandated by advertising guidelines. This transparency not only builds credibility with your audience, but also demonstrates your commitment to ethical marketing practices. Influencer marketing, when executed thoughtfully, can significantly enhance brand visibility and credibility. By partnering with the right influencers and creating authentic, engaging content, brands can effectively promote their products and services to a wider audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on influencer marketing, partnering with brands to promote products and services.